Welcome back to Pro Wheelhouse. Today, we dive into the revival of an Indian automotive icon, the 2025 Hindustan Ambassador 1800 ISZ. Once the face of India's roadways and politics, the Ambassador has returned with a bold new identity. This isn't just a facelift, it's a complete transformation that respects the legacy while embracing modern engineering. Design, classic roots, modern appeal. The 2025 Ambassador 1800 ISZ carries forward the unmistakable silhouette of the original, but with refined lines and muscular stance. The new design pays homage to the classic while adding LED headlamps, sleeker bumpers, and a bold chrome grille. It strikes a perfect balance between nostalgia and contemporary style. Larger alloy wheels, flush door handles, and a redefined tail section give it the road presence worthy of its legacy. Interior, heritage meets comfort. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that combines vintage charm with modern luxury. Premium leather upholstery, a digital analog hybrid instrument cluster, and a 10-inch infotainment touchscreen highlight the blend of old and new. Sound insulation is top-notch, making the ride serene, something the old Ambi was never known for. Rear seats now offer enhanced legroom, ambient lighting, and even a retractable armrest, catering to both chauffeur-driven and self-driven owners. Engine and performance, power with purpose. Under the hood lies the beating heart of the new Ambassador, the 1800 ISZ petrol engine. Developed in partnership with Isuzu, this 1.8-liter inline-4 engine produces a smooth 138 horsepower and 172 Nm of torque. Mated to a 6-speed manual or optional automatic, the powertrain delivers responsive acceleration and improved fuel economy. Tuned for Indian conditions, the suspension provides a supple ride across rough roads without sacrificing handling dynamics. Technology and safety, built for today. The 2025 model comes loaded with tech. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, connected car features, and voice commands. Safety hasn't been overlooked either, with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, hill hold assist, and a 360-degree camera making it road-ready for modern demands. A segment-first ADAS light system offers lane keep assist and collision warnings without overcomplicating the driving experience. Verdict: a worthy comeback. The 2025 Hindustan Ambassador 1800 ISZ is more than just a nostalgia trip. It's a genuine attempt to restore a national icon with practicality, style, and purpose. Whether you're a purist or a new-age driver, this Ambassador is ready to rule the roads once again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Pro Wheelhouse for more automotive insights.